Isa ka ba sa naghahanap ng property? May overlooking, cool climate, clean fresh air in an upland area? Hi, I'm Cedric, your partner of finding your dream property. Tara, baka isa na to sa hinahanap mo.
Presenting our property in Susugin, Alfonso, Cavite. Perfect for investment, rest house, retirement, or even a backyard farming. Good news! Dahil ang ating property ay may 6-meter cemented road right-of-way, solar streetlights, at proper drainage. Yan ang mga future development na gagawin sa ating property. Napakalapit din ito sa mga amenities. Dahil 12 minutes drive lang ito from Luksuhin Market. 15 minutes naman sa munisipyo ng Alfonso at St. John Nepomucin Parish Church. 25 minutes sa East Road. 30 minutes away sa mga malls at restaurants. At alam mo ba na ang Alfonso ay may above sea level na 415 to 420 meters? Not like in Manila na 10 to 15 meters lang.
So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Huwag palampasin ang opportunity na ito. Secure your future today. For more info, contact us now to schedule a site visit. See you!